Alexandra Sokolova, a dedicated and experienced professional from the esteemed Mersin real estate agency. Your favorite neighborhood in Mezitli with beautiful sandy beaches and well-developed infrastructure. An apartment with 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and excellent direct sea view is for sale, fully furnished and equipped, just as we are about to see. The apartment is great, the location is fantastic, so be sure to give it a like and watch until the end. Let's go take a look. Let's start with the location. So there's a direct sea view, and right along this street you have access to a beautiful sandy beach. Here we have the fish market. This is it, where you can buy fish and have it cooked for you right there. Parking, taxis, all the supermarkets are here. Here's the fitness center. There's a Migros store and other chain supermarkets. The Friday market is on that side. It's an excellent location. You couldn't ask for a better location. It's a dream location. A new complex with a swimming pool, children's playgrounds, and sports facilities. As always, I've left all the details below in the info box under the video. Feel free to check it out. The apartment is very neat, very elegant. Everything is carefully chosen. Everything is very functional. I want to highlight that there is active gas here. It's being sold exactly as you see it. The current owners will only be taking their personal belongings with them. You have a truly magnificent sea view from every single window. The floors throughout the property are made of beautiful porcelain stoneware. There's a spacious dining island that effectively separates the living space and the kitchen area. The apartment currently has active gas service. It's a very convenient and well-designed apartment, especially in the spacious entryway area, offering a welcoming first impression. Here's a wardrobe like this. It's large and has mirrors. Actually, there is a lot of storage space here. I really like the kitchen design. Share your impressions in the comments. Everything here is done very tastefully, very neatly, and highly functionally. This is, in fact, the first guest bathroom. This exquisite property proudly presents a modern wall-hung toilet, thoughtfully equipped with an integrated bidet function for enhanced hygiene and comfort. Adjacent to it, you'll find a sleek sink, perfectly complemented by an elegant mirror, creating a bright and functional space. The spacious shower area offers a refreshing experience, while the very convenient and intelligently designed shelves provide ample storage solutions for all your essentials, keeping the space tidy and organized. Moving on, the children's bedroom is truly a delightful and vibrant kids' room, featuring durable and easy-to-maintain laminate flooring that's perfect for active play. Up on the ceiling, there's a truly beautiful and imaginative decoration specifically designed to spark joy and make it an incredibly fun and engaging environment for your child. What's more, this charming room also opens up to a breathtaking and direct sea view, and here you can step out onto a lovely French balcony, perfect for enjoying the fresh air and scenic surroundings. It's genuinely a really cool and thoughtfully designed children's bedroom. The master bedroom, in contrast, is considerably larger and more luxurious, boasting its own exceptionally spacious and well-appointed bathroom, complete with plenty of integrated storage space to keep everything neatly tucked away. You'll also appreciate the added comfort of a heated towel rail, a thoughtful amenity found in every bathroom throughout the property. The master bedroom further benefits from its own private balcony, where the efficient gas boiler is discreetly located, and this private outdoor space also offers another magnificent sea view. I particularly want to draw your attention to the high-quality double-glazed windows. These are not just ordinary windows. They are all sophisticated frameless glass panels that can be effortlessly folded away, allowing you to seamlessly transform the entire space into an expansive and inviting open terrace, perfect for entertaining or simply relaxing. Thank you for watching and subscribing. You can check out other current offers on our website. Come visit, take a look, scroll through. We only have up-to-date listings there. Come visit us in Mersin. We have great weather and excellent offers for buying property. We will meet you at the airport and accommodate you in excellent seaside apartments. I love you all. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next videos. Bye bye for now, everyone.